Hi, I'm Joanne Litton, and here to show you a colorful Asian coleslaw with sesame dressing. Let's prepare our ingredients. For toasted sesame seeds, start with white sesame seeds, put them in a skillet over medium heat, toss until they turn lightly brown. The second ingredient we need to prepare is purple cabbage. Cut your cabbage into quarters. Next, you want to cut out the core, then turn it on its side, cut into 1/4-inch slices to shred the cabbage. Finally, turn the slices on its side and cut into bite-sized pieces. We are going to season with fresh cilantro. You can use your kitchen shears to cut it into little pieces, or use a chef knife to dice it finely. Now that we have all the ingredients assembled, let me tell you another secret. Instead of shredding cabbage and carrots together, you could buy prepackaged coleslaw. As we start to add the other ingredients, we're going to switch over and let you see our easy recipe. To find this recipe, go to the video description. Now let's stir all the vegetables together. Now you're ready to assemble the dressing. Pour all of the ingredients into a small bowl. Use a whisk to whisk it together. Add your ingredients of your dressing to the vegetables and stir. You will need to plan 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Now you're ready to serve this delicious Asian coleslaw.